welcome back to my channel. My name is Mallory and I have a special guest today, my mom, Diane.
Hi everyone.
And we are doing a video together on our Azure standard haul. So my parents are staying with us right now because I just gave birth and they're helping out. The Azure drop that I'm part of here in Kansas, which is the first time to order at this drop, was happening while they're here. So we thought, let's go in on an order together, we'll film it and we'll show you guys what we got. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit subscribe and the bell notification so you can see more hauls like this and other stuff about
and like the video.
Yeah, and like the video. And leave a comment. All right, so we're just gonna go through what we got and also share like how we're dividing up things between us. Because the nice thing with Azure is that you can buy large quantities, and so if you have family nearby or friends that you want to go in on stuff with, then that can like bring the price down even more. So that's what we're doing. And actually, I guess I should explain what Azure is, because if you're new, you might be like, well, what is Azure? So basically, it is a food co-op that they sell healthy foods, a lot of organic foods. Things in large quantities, like large bags of wheat, rice, that kind of stuff. And you can get a really good deal on it because it's in bulk. So it's a really great way to get healthy groceries at a good price with really good quality. So that's what Azure is. And if you want to learn more, you can find my affiliate link in the description box below. All right, so I'm going to do this one first because it's frozen. This is the first time for me to actually order a frozen item.
Yeah.
Is it leaking?
No, but it's getting
It's starting to get, okay. So this is 5 pounds of organic blueberries. I always love to buy blueberries in organic because they tend to have a lot of pesticides if they're not. So this is what 5 pounds of blueberries looks like. So this will last us a little while because we go through a lot of blueberries.
Okay, so the next thing are these coconut aminos. The Coconut Secret coconut aminos.
Yes. So let's take one out. Oh, these are different bottles.
Yeah, I have
before.
never seen bottles this big.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And it's a different shape than the ones I ordered before.
So coconut aminos are the soy-free alternative to soy sauce for those who can't have soy or don't want to have soy or wheat. I mean, soy sauce has wheat in it too. So organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, no MSG, vegan. We don't care about
Don't care about vegan.
Anyway.
But this is a box of 6, 2 for 6, yep. And they're 16.9 fluid ounces. But let's see, how many
am I getting?
I think we're splitting the box.
Okay.
I think you're getting 3 and I'm getting 3. Okay. So here's how you can do your little divide. Actually, my mom, growing up, we were part of a co-op and she was like one of the coordinators, and the truck would come. I mean, it wasn't Azure, it was a different company, but the truck would come into the neighborhood actually, and it was like this big semi truck, and it was always like Sunday evenings or something. It was like very exciting, like seeing the truck driving through our neighborhood. The truck's here. And then we would like go over to the neighbor's house and we'd play with the other kids.
We would actually divide large 50-pound bags of rice, and so we had scales, and
so you were getting like really good deals. Oh wow.
Oh, stickers.
I got stickers. Okay. So here's another thing we're dividing. How do you get it out?
Ow.
Oh. Oh. Okay. If you like cheese, you can get huge blocks of cheese. So
this is raw.
Yes.
Raw medium cheddar.
So
from Grazier's.
I'd never heard of them until I started ordering from Azure. How much? I forget how much.
I think these are
5
pounds.
Oh yeah, 2 5-pound loaves. They're called loaves of cheese. So yeah, so here's what it looks like. So
it was the Sierra Nevada Cheese Company.
Well, Grazier.
I don't know. It says that.
I don't know.
But Grazier's is the. I don't know.
So I love raw cheese. Anything raw dairy, if you get it from a good source, is like the healthiest for you. And I believe these are also pasture raised. Oh yeah, grass fed. So it's raw and grass fed cheese, raw cheddar. And they have others. I think they have raw Monterey Jack that I've tried before. That's really good. But if you order in bigger quantities, so like 2 5-pounders, it's cheaper. So, all right, so here's the big box. And then typically if you buy like a bunch of just like random things that are smaller, they'll put it in a big box. Like this one says like, they're like fries. It's like a fry box. So, all right, so, oh, this is yours. So you can explain it.
This is a do-it-yourself popping sorghum. I am suspecting that I cannot have corn in my diet. So somebody told me about popping sorghum. I think you have to have a certain kind of sorghum. This is actually popping sorghum.
I think so. Yeah.
I don't know if
I've
you've
never done it.
I don't know if there's, just like there's corn and then there's popping corn.
Oh, right. You can't just like pop.
But they're supposed to be low in lectins, gluten-free, no GMO, easy to digest, no holes, tastes great. So this is going to be really fun to try popping this and eating it like popcorn.
Yeah.
And I also got this for my husband. Mushroom popcorn is called.
I never heard of mushroom popcorn.
Right. It has nothing to do with mushrooms, but I guess what happens is when this pops, you know, the big round fluffy part of the popcorn, it's extra big, like a mushroom.
Like when you buy popcorn that's like flavored, like the cheesy kind or the caramel corn, that's what it is. I'm pretty sure it's mushroom because it's like a more surface area.
Big.
Yeah, to put your flavoring on. So 5 pounds of organic dark chocolate chips. These are allergen free, so the ingredients are organic cane sugar, organic cocoa mass, which is cocoa liqueur, and organic cocoa butter. So some people, like you said that Aunt Deb can't have chocolate, but she can have like chocolate liqueur, and you kind of suspect you have a problem with chocolate. Mm-hmm. But for some reason, people that are like allergic to chocolate can have chocolate liqueur. I don't know. So 5 pounds. I love this stuff. It's great for baking.
We're dividing that.
Oh, we are. You wanted to take a pound or something? Yeah. All right. These are also mine. So I got 2 boxes of Jovial's the organic sourdough einkorn crackers, and these are for Max, for my 19-month-old, because sometimes a toddler just wants a cracker, right? So I have not tried here. He has not tried the rosemary kind, just the sea salt, but they didn't have those in stock. So I think he'll like these. He has a very refined palate.
It says einkorn is nature's original wheat, the only wheat never hybridized.
Yes, so that is a good point. If you have problems with wheat, you may be able to tolerate einkorn. So check that out. Here's another thing I got is gluten-free sourdough starter. Focus. So I was making my own sourdough. I'm actually working on my own recipe, which I'm still perfecting, but I will share it once it's perfected. I'm getting there. But I accidentally let my sourdough die in California when we lived there. So I needed to get thing. So we both got this. Collagen peptides. You want to talk about collagen peptides?
No, you can do it.
Okay. So collagen peptides, if you don't know, basically it's a source of protein. It's not a complete protein, but it has amino acids in it, and it's really great for your hair, skin, nails, your gut. I use it all throughout pregnancy.
For boosting your protein.
Yeah, boosting your protein.
In your diet.
And like we don't get enough collagen in our diets typically as Americans because we're not eating like nose to tail. We're not drinking, a lot of people aren't drinking bone broth. So this is a good way to get collagen.
Put it in your tea or coffee.
Smoothies.
Pancakes. I never put it in pancakes.
Oh, I have before actually, yeah.
Ice cream.
Oh,
put in your ice cream.
Yeah, yeah. And then you could have more like a protein ice cream. And then another thing I got is this organic brown rice flour, which is sprouted. And this is the Azure brand. So typically the chocolate chips are also the Azure brand. So typically their price of like their house brand is the best when you're looking at stuff.
Is this white rice?
It's brown rice flour.
Rice flour. Okay.
But it's sprouted, so it's easier to digest.
Oh.
And this is what I use to make.
Nice.
Yeah, and this is 5 pounds.
And by sprouted, they just mean that it's been soaked, and so that takes care of some of the phytates.
Yeah, the anti-nutrients.
The anti-nutrients that block absorption of certain nutrients
Right.
in your diet.
And also helps it be more digestible as well.
Mhm.
So this is gluten-free, but yeah, I love making my sourdough with this, and also with millet and maybe, I think, sorghum flour. So I do a combination.
Okay.
And then the last thing,
Are the non-GMO rolled oats, gluten-free?
now normally I would buy organic rolled oats, gluten-free, but they were out of stock. So I just got the regular gluten-free rolled oats. So we're gonna also split this, right?
Okay.
I think.
I don't know.
So that's it. And then every shipment, they give you a brochure for the next month. So they have all the sales in here, and you can discover new products. In the back, they have a listing of all different products and like sale stuff. So
Is the website more complete though than this, or does it
yeah,
have everything?
I don't think this has this is only the sale items.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you want to like look at everything, but I like going through the list and like highlighting things that I might want to try, and then going on the website and selecting things. So you can discover new things through that. And that is it. So again, if you want to try out Azure, I am an affiliate. So I do have an affiliate link in the description below this video, which means that I do get a small commission when somebody uses my link to order through Azure.
But it doesn't affect your cost at all.
Right. It does not affect your cost at all, but you're helping to support a small business. So thank you in advance for anybody who does that. I wish we could do videos more often, but she lives in Texas, so, you know.
We could do a split screen Zoom call.
We could, yes.
We wouldn't be splitting Azure.
Yeah. So anyway, so thank you guys for joining me on this video. I hope it was really fun just to see what we got and give you ideas if you decide to order from Azure. So in the meantime, take care, and I will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.